In this video, we're going to see factory pattern. Factory pattern is basically we create a factory smart contract, and this factory smart contract will be able to deploy smart contracts on its own. Let's get started. So we are going to create a child smart contract here. It has an ID. This ID is set from the constructor. Let's say we want to deploy the smart contract programmatically from this smart contract. We are creating an event. So we will write a function to deploy this child smart contract. This will take ID. In order to create a new smart contract to be deployed, we have to use new child keyword. So this new child keyword will deploy the smart contract and return the address. Let's emit the event that the child is created. And the ID of the child. So let's deploy the factory contract. We are on Polycom network. So we have deployed the factory, and if you see at 0, there's no data. Let's create a child at ID 123. So this contract is created 50 seconds ago. 16 seconds ago, it has created a child contract. So if you open that, this contract is created from within the contract. So the address of the child is, so this is the address of the child. Which is here. So this contract is created 1 minute ago using the parent smart contract.